So this week I thought I'd do a fun little like week in my life vlog. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna get up to this week, but we will see what ends up in this video. We are actually moving out of this apartment in mid-August. I currently share this apartment with 3 other girls, my sister and then 2 of my best friends. But we are moving out of this apartment in mid-August, and my sister and I are getting our own place, like beginning of August actually. We get the keys for that place. So I'm gonna start the packing process within the next few weeks. And I'm really excited to do moving vlogs because those are like my literal favorite videos to watch on YouTube, are moving vlogs for some reason. So I'm excited for that content. So before I actually like start packing everything within the next few weeks, I really just need to like declutter so much stuff because there's no point in packing all the trash I've been hoarding, you know? So I think today I'm gonna tackle a bunch of like makeup and hair and skin products that I literally have way too much of and just literally don't need. I have this closet that this right here is just so much, like you can see how much of a disaster this is. It's like a tornado went through here. But this is just like a bunch of skincare and like makeup and like random stuff that I literally don't need. So I'm just gonna take everything out of this closet and then hopefully throw away like half of it at least. And we'll see where that takes me. These are all the things that I'm gonna try and get rid of most of this. So let's do it. Okay, like I have this sample that is completely empty. Like literally there's not a single drop of product in here. Why do I still have this? So that's why we're doing this. Alright, I just put everything back in the closet. Honestly, I got rid of like an okay amount of trash and products that I'm not going to use anymore. Whatever. I got rid of some stuff, and that's the whole point. And honestly, it doesn't look much different, but it's more organized, so that's good. In this bin is just like extras of everything that I could ever need. And then these are just my everyday like hair products that I use when I actually ever do my hair. So really that organization was pointless because really didn't do anything, but you know, I just like need extras of everything for some reason. It's just how my brain works. She is. Wow. Look how pretty she is. So gross. When do I not look gross on this channel? Good morning, guys. So it is Wednesday. Is it Wednesday? This morning, Savannah and I went on a hike. Sorry, my laundry's really loud in the back. It's laundry day. But this morning, Savannah and I went on a really beautiful hike. It's literally like my new favorite hike in LA. It just was so beautiful. The view was just so amazing, and it was like the perfect difficulty level, you know, like not too hard but definitely like a really good workout. So yeah, that really took it out of me. I'm so tired now. I think I'm probably gonna take a nap and the rest of the day is gonna be super boring, but we'll see if I do anything else, or I'll see you tomorrow. Alright. Alright, so it's actually a few days later now. I've had a pretty busy last few days for quarantine, you know, but I've kind of put off packing. So we're back to it today. But first order of business is I just filmed a TikTok. And now my room, yeah. So first order of business, we're gonna clean that, and then today I'm probably gonna start packing. Since we're living with other roommates, kind of like half the stuff is theirs and half the stuff is ours. So I kind of just want to get an idea of what we need to buy for our place, like the stuff that isn't ours that they brought. So I'm probably going to start separating stuff today and maybe start some of the packing process. Yeah, but I just literally forgot I was vlogging yesterday. But now I'm helping Meg take pictures for her depop. So check out her depop. I'll link it down below. Buy her closet because she got cute stuff.
Hi. I do, kind of.
So
well, I don't really think they're cute anymore. That's why I'm getting rid of them.
But they are cute.
Yeah.
They are. She's worn them all in the
style.
past, and she's always been stylish.
Thanks.
Alright, so I'm actually gonna start packing now, kind of. So I don't actually own any boxes or anything, so I'm trying to get a little creative. But this is my really trashy hamper that literally I've owned for so many years. Up here, I just have like all my purses and just random miscellaneous stuff. So I think I'm gonna try and fit all my bags in here first off. And then next up, I just have like a bunch of stuff under my bed that I kind of need to sort through and figure out how to transport everything. That's like a main storage space of mine is underneath my bed because they're like lifted. Actually, first I need to make coffee because I'm falling asleep. So let's go make iced coffee. Let's get started. Alright, it's a little later now and I'm craving pancakes. So, guess what we're gonna do? Make pancakes. Recently, I've been eating vegan and I'm still trying to find the best vegan pancake recipe. I've tried a few different versions, but I found this really interesting method that I haven't tried before on the Tasty website. Flour, normal, sugar normal, baking powder, salt, milk, apple cider vinegar. But when I read apple cider vinegar in a pancake, I just don't know how to feel about that. It's supposed to make it like buttermilk. Whoa, this is crazy. It's already getting like thick. So I don't really know how like chemistry works, but maybe that's what was supposed to happen. But just gonna add that in now. And that's definitely way too much milk for anything else. Whoa. Back to chocolate chip. Let's try it. Wow. Yeah. They're just so fluffy and good. I'm just gonna enjoy these and maybe I'll get back to packing later. So I wanted to do a little apartment tour because I just want to document this place before we pack everything up and move out in a few weeks. And now I have the time, so I'm gonna do an apartment tour, but I didn't really clean up for it. So this is like the real apartment tour. This is like real living apartment tour. So we have an apartment in Los Angeles. It's 2 bedrooms and there's 4 of us that live here. So each pair shares a room. So let's just get into it now that you know some context. All right, so I'm standing at the door right now. So right when you walk in is the kitchen. Pretty cute. We got a little rug, you know, the stove, the thingies, our dish dryer. We don't have that much storage space since there's 4 of us, so we have to store a lot up on top of the fridge. And then our living room is pretty fun. Oh, hey. So we have these bar stools, even though it's not like a bar counter, it's just a normal counter. But we got 2 bar stools here, and then we have a little bar cart over there just because it's like cute, you know. But we got our table here, a nice huge window with our gorgeous view. I really am just gonna miss this view so much. It's so pretty. And then over here we have our home gym right now. Since it's, you know, quarantine, so this is where we're keeping all of our home gym equipment, which isn't a lot. And then we got our TV. In this little corner, we got our cute little plant and shelf decor, clockwork stuff. And then over here, cute little seating area next to our couch. That's, fun fact, actually very uncomfortable. So don't love this couch, but I mean, it's cute. And then we got our coffee table with a bunch of books. And then we have another like shelf ladder decor. It's like pretty fun. Oh, and these mirrors are fun. And then you walk down the hallway. So we have 2 bathrooms. One is in the master bedroom, which is my other 2 roommates. And then this is like the guest and also the second bedroom's bathroom. But not a lot of show in here. It's just a bathroom, so that's fun. Right there at the end of the hallway is the master bedroom. And that's my other 2 roommates' room, so I'm not gonna show that. But I'm pretty sure Megan's gonna do a apartment tour on her channel, so you can see that in her video. But I'll have her channel linked down below so you can check her out. And then here is my bedroom. I'm just gonna do an overview. Nothing too special. We have a bunch of stuff, dresser. I'm starting to pack, so that's my packing stuff. This is my side of the room, so this is my bed and my cute pillows. My favorite thing is that the window perfectly lines up with my bed, so I have this little like shelf here that's like attached to the wall. So I have like a little built-in side table. It's so fun. Closet is a mirror, which is super nice, especially with like the window hitting it. It just gets a lot of natural light in here and just makes it feel bigger, I guess. So I'm really definitely gonna miss this apartment so much. This is my first place living out on my own. But I'm really excited to get to the new place and be able to decorate it more and just show you guys. So, yep, that's my apartment.
Hey guys! So I was just editing this video and realized that I never did an outro. Professional YouTuber. But I know this vlog was really weird and really random, but that's just life right now. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the start of the moving journey. I thought I'd throw that apartment tour in this video just because this video was kind of a fail and I didn't really do anything, so I thought it'd be kind of exciting to include that in here. So anyways, I'll catch you guys next week. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already, and I love you guys so much. See you next week. Bye guys.